Kingdom Plumbing offers professional water testing services in Henderson, NV, designed to ensure the safety and quality of your home's water supply. Whether you rely on municipal water or a private well, testing is essential to identify potential contaminants like bacteria, heavy metals, and chemicals. At Kingdom Plumbing, we prioritize customer satisfaction, accuracy, and thoroughness. With years of expertise in plumbing and water treatment, we are your trusted partner in creating a healthier home environment. Call our water testing service team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a water testing service near me? You can stop looking. You found Kingdom Plumbing. Why is water testing important? Water testing ensures the safety and quality of your water supply by identifying contaminants like bacteria, heavy metals, and chemicals. It helps safeguard your family's health and ensures your water meets recommended standards. How often should I have my water tested? For municipal water, annual testing is recommended to monitor quality. If you use a private well, test at least once a year or after environmental changes, such as floods or construction near your property. What is your service area for Henderson, Nevada? Our water testing service has helped clients in Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Sunrise Manor, Summerlin South, Paradise, Henderson, Boulder City, Mesquite, North Las Vegas, Enterprise, Whitney, Winchester, Mount Charleston, Sandy Valley, Blue Diamond, Nevada. Where is your Henderson, Nevada water testing service office located? We are located at 1489 West Warm Springs Road No. 110 Henderson, Nevada 89014. Our phone number is 725-900-4591. Visit our website, www.kingdomplumbing.com/areas-we-serve/Henderson-NV.